It is day 13, and today we're gonna hit the highway home. Here you see an overlander in a natural habitat. So for dinner tonight, we have a new recipe that we're trying while camping. It is sausage Alfredo. Very creamy pasta sauce with turkey sausage in. So from the fridge, you'll need heavy whipping cream, turkey sausage, and Parmesan. From the dry ingredients, you need some penne noodles and some Cajun seasoning, which is right there.
Raging Cajun.
So set the noodles on to boil. You want 8 ounces of noodles. You're going to heat up the sausage, and once the sausage is heated up, you're going to put in 1 pint of heavy whipping cream and 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. You need to keep on stirring this so that it doesn't burn to the bottom, because otherwise it's going to be a horrible mess to clean up and it's not going to taste good. So once the sauce is thickened up nicely, you'll put in 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, pour the noodles in, and it's ready to go. There, that's about 1/2 cup. How was it?
It's good.
What is it?
A painted rock.
A painted rock. You guys keep finding these painted rocks everywhere. We did a little flashback to Colorado from last year where you all found one. What is it?
Rock.
What's it say?
I can't read. I know! Life is good. It says life is good.
Life is good.
What did it say last year? Do you remember?
Life's good. We still have it up
You
in
still
our
got it?
window box. Yeah.
Yeah, life's good.
I'm going to take this and it has reading on the bottom. It's going to be mine since I found it.
So last night at Cooper Rock State Forest, it rained quite hard. I found the overhang of the Smittybilt tent is catching a lot of rain up here, like in this little culvert. So I have a plan, if we can find the lows or something. I'm gonna make something for up here. Right across there. To build something to support it. So I've had this Smittybilt rooftop tent for about 2 years now. This is the first issue I've had with it. Somehow this came off in the night, came unbolted. And it's supposed to be a little lock nut. It's got the nylock in there. But it came off. I gotta tighten it down. Let's check this side. Wow, this side's really loose too. I don't know how tight it's gonna be. It might be impossible to unfold it now. I guess check to make sure the center hinges are tightened on your Smittybilt tents. So I had SUV Doorstop kindly send me a couple of these little things, and I've seen them before. Wasn't really sure what to make of them, but this thing's solid. It's pretty useful for putting the tent up and down. It just hooks in under the door latch there. Then you got yourself an extra little step so I can reach a whole lot further. So earlier Wes was bothering me, and in revenge, I bought his kids some whistling candy for them to eat while they're in the car. So let's go give that to them. Hey.
Hello.
I bought you all a prize that you all got to share.
What is it? Thank you.
Whistling candy. So it's 3 sacks, 3 of you.
Oh goodness.
So when you eat this, make sure you whistle it all, alright?
Okay.
Enjoy. Do that while he's driving, while your dad's driving.
Hate you.
Why? What's that noise?
I hate you so much. Wow.
That's a great sound.
I hate you. I hate you so bad.
Alright, so today's been a long day traveling, and it's getting dark as we're getting to camp. So dinner tonight is pizza at Brio's Pizzeria.
1/4 mile.
Yep. I don't know where you're gonna park, but I'm going here.
Your destination is on the right.
So this morning we're waking up in the Catskill Mountains of New York, and for breakfast we have leftovers from yesterday. We had Cracker Barrel and made sure we ordered a few extra pancakes, so we're just going to heat them up on the frying pan. Should be good. So try a flip. Oh. It's still good. It's still good. 5-second rule. Maybe.
Yes. Let's go with drop.
Yeah, total accident. Unavoidable. It's National Donut Day, and this gas station has a Dunkin' Donuts.
That sounds like fate to me. Did you wash my windshield at some point in time?
Yeah, just now.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
I was
well,
walking up, I was like, I know I didn't wash my windshield. I knew it wasn't me because I would have done a good job if I'd have done it.
all right. I felt a little bit bad,
A little bit?
yeah, about the whistling candy.
No, you're just worried about what's going to happen to you. You don't feel bad. And no amount of good deeds is going to make up for it now.
99.9. 1,000 miles. We just hit 1,000 miles on this journey. And 36 more miles to go till we get to Salisbury.